Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Mikey Will here, showing you guys the Jeep invasion at Wildwood. Make sure if you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But we're showing you all the dopest Jeeps, all the illest rides that we've seen out here in Wildwood, New Jersey. Jeeps from all over the place. I can't believe what I'm really seeing. It was dope. Seagulls chasing after me. Crazy time. But like everything, all drones came back successful. Everything was awesome. So many rare Jeeps. Seen some old World War II Jeeps. You guys got to stick around to see more. For the most part, I never even thought the Jeep culture was this big. From speaking from someone from the outside, like to see all these different vendors with all these different types of customization. Whatever you really want to build, it's almost limitless. Seeing crazy builds like the Beast King and Queen, like those are crazy builds that they dedicate so much time to, and it looks insane. Like especially from the outside, so like it's awesome. Seeing some of these Jeeps with everything flexed out and all these Jeeps lined up just on the beach is really serene time. Here's day 2. We're really going for it. If you guys can really see, there's Jeeps from horizon to horizon across the beach. It's a good vibe out here. A lot of people, a lot of vendors. They got good stuff, got a bunch of food, drinks, people doing crazy stuff, people flexing out, showing what they got. I can't believe it. Some awesome rims just stacked up. People with the dopest builds. Everyone's got their own little thing that they like. And like here it is. You guys can all check it out. All the stuff. Check out some of their websites, some of their merchandise. They even brought the little RC Jeeps out. The RC Jeeps out were hilarious because the one guy just tipped over when I walked out. It was hilarious. But it's part of the game, you know what I'm saying? Topless for tatas. Got some flag holders. Like the Jeeps are big, man. These things are awesome. The Beast King, the Beast Queen. I really can't not stop saying them. Like they're crazy. Got some American soundbar, some Pirate Pete's. Like it's crazy. Got a bunch of. All right, so we got the soft pretzels, hot dogs, all that stuff. The burrito, build your own burrito bowl spot. That is pretty fire. I didn't get that one. It was pretty fire, but the smoothie joint was fire. I'm pretty sure I had that one. I enjoyed that. That was rizzakin'. Make sure you guys support all these small businesses. These guys work hard. I want to make sure I can't really personally shout them all out because I only had some of their stuff, but just showing that, like, showing what I did have. All this stuff looks really cool. We did have to sign a waiver to get on the course, or not just we. Everyone has to sign a waiver to get on the course. But after being on the course, filming for a while, like, you get to see some of the craziness that some of the craziness that might come about. People's bumpers falling off, people full sending into the water pit, full sending all over the place. I'm gonna let the footage speak for itself, and I'm gonna let you guys just watch, and I'll talk a little bit more in a little bit. Like seeing some of these Jeeps just crawling and really being in action, like, really shows me that these things are really practical. These are practical off-road vehicles that can crawl. They're not too fast. Some of them are fast because they got the 392 or whatever you got, whatever mods they got going on. But a lot of them have crazy crawling ability, crazy traction, like in off-road, I should say. But and just so many different styles. There were so many different types of Jeeps, all in the same Wrangler category. There was a couple like different kind of like Cherokees and stuff up in there. Some Compasses, some other the new Gladiators. The Gladiators look kind of sick though, because some people have some wild mods for those. like everyone's got these crazy built suspensions. Not everyone. Some of the new people just came just to like just get into it, which is awesome. And it's the real hardcore like people that actually go out and like go to these other there's actually people that go out to these other riding places like AOAA, Roush Creek. Roush Creek is the place that sponsored this whole event. Shout out to Roush Creek. They have some good trails. I heard a lot of good things about them. I do not own a Jeep, so I cannot really say too much, but from what I hear, it is fantastic. But getting back to this, it's got some people getting stuck, which was like pretty funny. It's kind of ironic that it happens to be like a Cherokee, you know. But at the end of the day, they still made up. They still had their fun. They had their smiles and stuff like that. Everyone out here smiling. A lot of people out here just really just chilling, vibing, enjoying the environment. They had some music really going, and just watching these Jeeps just go around this course is really crazy. And like, look how many Jeeps are lined up. There is so many Jeeps. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of sponsors. There's a lot of everything. Like, this event, it was really humongous. I'm happy that it was here. There was a lot of room, a lot of space for all this kind of stuff. But like, even though they had a big old bulldozer to clean up the course in case it got rusty or something like that. But like you can see who came out for show and who came out for like practicality, who had the stuff. You can see some people had the stuff, and some people's like cars were just falling apart. But it's the name of the game. Like, trust me, nobody's stuff is perfect. Everyone's got something they can work on. Got people sending out the sand pit, which was kind of cool to see too. But I guess no better place than there to do it. Get a good video of it, good time, good memory. Some of the crazy paint jobs, the crazy wrap jobs, the rims, the wheels, the modifications, the mini Jeep. All this stuff is like for real crazy. It's just like the rows, the lines, the just constant surrounding of Jeeps. Like last week it was minis, this week Jeeps. I wonder what next week's gonna be. I don't know, I'm talking. But like, you see that big old duck? Yeah, a lot of people were like ducking these cars. That's like the thing. They just put ducks on the car and like put a little, like, that's the thing. Like, they like the older Jeeps. That's what, like, you see the little ducks on the hoods? That's what they do. They put these little ducks to show their little appreciation for you guys. Some people don't get ducks, some people do. It's like, it's all love, you know? Like, if you don't get ducked, there's no hate. It's just, you didn't get ducked. You duckers. But all in all, you see a lot of people really just ripping around, having fun, just banging some gears, putting that in that 4 low, because that sand was kind of mushy, like, believe it or not. You would think it's really smooth, but no, it's deceivingly mushy gushy, especially the wet sand. See the people with the crazy dope rims and crazy flex setups. And then you see like wild setups that you didn't even think would even be a thing. Like people with these custom setups, and they just destroy it. They literally just destroy it. But yeah, everyone has their own little flavor, and that's the one part I do like. Gotta show love to the camera dudes. Perfect. You got another person getting stuck up here. There's like another Jeep getting stuck, getting towed out while the bulldozer, like, that was his job, just to tow people out in case they got stuck on the mound or whatever, or wherever on the course. And like, there was a constant array of people like working the event, trying to make sure everyone's safe, everyone's going where they need to be, make sure they're following the trail, like actually going with the guide and stuff like that. all in all, these guys put on an awesome event to the point where like I could recommend this to someone who doesn't even own a Jeep. Someone could watch this video and easily want to get a Jeep because of how well these Jeeps perform and like how fun they look. Like everyone's having a blast on the beach. They're top down, windows down. Someone got their doors off. Like I could see myself doing it, but not at this point in my life. But definitely I could see myself having one. But this is the point where the World War II Jeeps come out to play, and they're super old. You can hear them. They only got, I don't even know, like 50 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour in them, but there they are. They're out there playing on them. Repping the flag, repping everything. Oh no, he got stuck. Oh jeez. Here he goes again. Yeah, you hear him banging gears. I'm happy that thing is still ripping, having fun. Oh yeah. The good old-fashioned suspension. I don't even know what kind of suspension that is. It's the break your back suspension. I'll tell you that. But all in all, awesome event. And some of the workers came out to play and show off their rides, how they rip them. Some of them had some stuff. They were going crazy. It was cool to see how they were really flexing out, doing some stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, everything for more. I got a lot of videos coming soon.